How to use proxies with HideMyAcc. To get started, go to the dashboard and select your preferred plan. Once you've chosen a plan, update your location settings, country, state, city, and click on Update Changes. Next, open the app and click on Create a new profile. Give it a name. Then, go to the Proxy section and select your proxy, choosing between HTTP and SOCKS 5 for the protocols. Return to the generator and choose between rotating and sticky proxies. For sticky proxies, you can adjust the session duration from 1 to 120 minutes. Copy a proxy and paste it into the program. Click on Create and then Run. Enhance your online security and anonymity with Lightning Proxy's reliable residential proxies, the ultimate solution for seamless and secure browsing experiences.